Hello students, welcome to Prayashuji YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is classification numbers. So in this one we are going to look the model question paper which are available in our Navneet Digest. So please open Navneet Digest 2021 edition, page number 118. Okay, so there is a question number 1 on model question paper. So this is a solved exercise. So there are common instruction for question 1 to 14. There are the total 14 questions. Find the odd man out from the numbers given in each questions below. So there are the total 4 options. We have to find out the odd man out, means something different terms. So out of that 4 terms, one terms is something different on a something properties, or we can say something numeral basis or mathematical relationships. Okay, so that mathematical relations already we discussed in a last video. Some about the numericals, means 1 to 100, that already questions were taken. Then prime number, then co-prime, then twin numbers, or we can say odd, even, like that one. Any categorizedly, or we can say on any the reasons are there, or we can say the property, or we can say the specification, or we can say the relations in a mathematical algebraic formation. Okay, even square numbers, triangular number, like this one. Okay, even at the last we can say simply there is a logic. Okay, so on a logical basis, something criteria for all this one, that should be same. Okay, but one term has something different which is not fit for that particular criteria, so that terms we have to choose and we have to make it that as an answer. Okay, so question number 1, there are the 4 options: 54, 72, 96 and 28. Now in this one, if you see 54, 72 and 96, that is a comes in a divisibility of the 3. Okay, so that's why these are the similarity, and the 28 is not in a divisibility of the 3. So that is the main reason. Okay, so that's why option number 4 is a different for the question number 1. Now question number 2. So for the question number 2, 29, then 37, 57 and 61. Now in this one, if you see, there is a 29, then 37 and 57. 57 is not a prime number. Okay, that can be divisible by the number 3, because after the 57, 60 is there, and 60 can be divided by the 3. But if you see 29, 37 and 61, these are the prime numbers. So that's why option number 3, 57 is the different term. Now question number 3, 36, 84, then 56 and 16. So if you see at the unit place, there is a 6 at the all this one, and 84, this is the 84, hence the 4 is the at the unit place. So that's why this is a different terms, and that is only the one similarity. Okay, even there is one, the tens number is the odd one, but the in 84 tens place is the even number. So that's why option number 2 is a different. Now in this one, that is a totally on a logical basis. Okay, now onwards, if you see all the number questions as a step by step, all having the something different logic. So student must have make the more and more practice, know more and more logical examples. Okay, what exactly the logics are you taken, or we can say the what exactly the logic is applied for that particular questions. So that has to understand. Simply we can say 10 or 15 questions we have solved and we got the complete logic. No, this is not like this one. So you have to make more and more practice. Okay, so that's why you have to solve these types of the questions repeatedly, or we can say from the different books also. If you got more and more books, or we can say from the another book also, if you have for particularly this type of the logics questions, okay, try to solve out this one. Okay, and remember that what exactly the logics. So next time you can judge in a means minimum time point of view that which logic is applicable for that one. So that's the 3 terms are the something same logic, and the one is the different. Now in that logic, our algebraic, or we can say the numeral mathematics should be applicable. Now in this one also, the option number 2, 84 is a, we can say, even. All are the evens, but at the tens place, that is a even number, means 8 is there, that is the one things. And at the unit place, all are the 6 digit is there, so that's why this 84 is the different. Now question number 4, 125, then 81, 64 and 36. Now in this one, if you see, 125 is a different, which is not a square number. 81 is a square of the 9, 64 is a square of the 8, and 36 is a square of the 6. 125 is a cubical number of the 5, which is not a square number. Okay, so that's why option number 1 for the question number 1, 125 is a different term. Now question number 5, 49, 25, 16 and 81. Now in this one, if you see, all are the square numbers. So but if you see, the 16 is a even number, so we can say even square number. So that's why option number 3 for question number 5, 16 is a different term. Now question number 6, 6 by 18, then 12 by 36, 15 by 60 and 1 by 3. Now in this one, 6 by 18 means we can say equivalent, what is 6 1s are 6, 3s are 18, so 1 by 3. Okay, after that one, 12 by 36 means 12 1s are and 12 3s are, so equivalent fraction we can say, that is a 1 by 3, or we can say the reduced fraction. Okay, means take out all the common factors, then at the last we can get the fractions, which is, we can say, the equivalent fraction, or we can say reduced fractions. Here actually the reduced fraction after the take outing all the common factors. So 15 by 60. Okay, so 15 ones and 15 fours are, so this comes the 1 by 4, or we can say 1/4. And at the fourth option, 1 3, so we can say 1 2 and this 4, all the 4 options have 1 by 3. This is the reduced fraction, or we can say equivalent fractions, all are. But 1 by 4 is the different, 1/3 is the same. So that's why option number 3 for question number 6 is a different one. Now question number 7, 248, 846, 428, option 4, 824. Now in this one, if you see, the first terms, or we can say the each number made by the digit 2, 4 and 8. Okay, so but the 846, in this one 6 comes. Okay, so instead of the 2 there is a 6 digit comes. So if you compare all this one, or we can say the addition of this one is the 14 for option number 1, option number 3 and option number 4. But the option number 2 means 846 is a 18 summarization, so that's why option number 2 is a different one out of all 4. Now question number 8, 10, 18, then 15 and 21. Now in this one, if you compare all this one, 18 is a somewhat be different, because 10 is a triangular number, 15 also a triangular number, 21 also a triangular number. We know triangular number means natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so if you make 1 as a 1, okay, 1 plus 2 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 6, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 15, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 21, like this one. So 6 triangular number is 21, then for 5 triangular number is just 15, like this one. These are the triangular number series. Now in this one, the number 18 is not comes, means number 18 is not a triangular number, so that's why option number 2 is a different terms. Now question 9, 31 minus 37, then 59 minus 61, then 11 minus 13 and 71 minus 73. Now in this one, if you see question number 2, 3 and 4, all are the twin prime number, because there is a 2 difference and all are the prime number. But 31 and 37, all are the, means both are the prime numbers, but there is a 6 difference, so that's why option number 1 is a different one. So for question 1, option number 1 is different. Then question number 10, 14 hour and then 5 minutes, then 19 hours and 15 minutes, 5 hours and then 9 minutes, then 23rd hours and 20 minutes. So out of this one, if you see, all are mentioning in a 24 hours clock. So all are the post, we can say afternoon, or we can say the post midday. But the 5 hours and 9 minutes is it's a pre midday, or we can say in the morning time. So that's why option number 3 is a different one for the question number 10. Now, question number 11, 144, then 25, then 121, and 81. Now, in this one, 144 is a square number, 25 also square number, and okay. So here actually 25, 121, and 81 are the odd square numbers, because 144 also square number of the 12 and it's a even number. So that's why option number 1 for question number 11 is a different terms on a even and odd basis. Okay, only all are the square numbers, but on even and odd basis we have to take out that one different one. Now question number 12, 23 by 5, then 7 by 1, then 42 by 13, and 51 by 12. Now here if you see, if you divide 23 by 5, means here I just note down 23 by 5, it comes 5 fours, and then 3 means 6 something decimal points, means this is a complete fraction. Then 7 by 1, it's actually 7 terms. Then 42 by 13, so it comes 3, and 3 13 threes are 39, then point, and then some 13 twos are okay, so it's also a fraction. Then 13 threes are 39, means 3 point something, here 24 point something, and then 51 point, sorry, 51 by 12, so 4 8 12 4s are 48, and then 3 means 12 to the, so 4.2 comes here, here 4.6 comes, and here 7.0 means 7. But actually this is a complete number because of the 1 you at the denominator. Okay, so these are the fractions, but this is not a fraction, so that's why option number 2 is a different one for the option question number 12. But in our question, option number 3 is showing the correct one, and the explanation is somewhat be very different. They are shown that except 42 by 13, they are compared this 7 by 1 means 7 point something, like this one, this is decimal, and this 3.2 is a smaller, all this one, this is a greater than 4. Okay, so greater than 4, this is also greater than 4, this is also greater than 4, but this is a less than the 4, so that's why this terms is the different one as per the our Navneet Digest explanation. But I think there are the others also same like that one for the fractions point of view. This is not a fractions, but these are the fractions, so that's why my opinion is this option number 2 is the correct one. But okay, as per the book, so that's why option number 3 is the correct one. For the question number 13, 4 by 10, then 10 by 32, 8 by 22, and 6 by 16. For here actually 10 by 32 means option number 2 is a different as per the our Navneet Digest. The explanation is given that this is the less by 2 than the thrice of the numerator, means less by the 2, means this one is the less by the 2, others are the, and this is a 3.2. so 10 by 32 means ones are 10 ones are, and this is a 3.2, so this is a more than the 3. But other, if you compare with for the other options, mean 4 by 10 means 4 ones are, 4 twos are, and then 0.5 means 2.5 comes, and here the 3.2 comes. After this one 8 22 means 8 ones are, and 8 twos are 16, then 6 balance, so 60 comes, so 8 sevens are 56, and then 5. So this is also the less than the 3, but this is greater than the 3, this is also less than the 3, and the option number 4 means 6 by 16, so 6 ones are, 6 twos are 12, 4 balance, so 36, so 6 6 are, 4 balance, 6 6 are. Okay, so this is also less than the 3, but only this is a greater than the 3.0, and all are the comes the 3.0 or lesser than the 3.0. Okay, so that's why this terms is a different than one, so and which is the mention in our option number 2, so that's why this is a different one. So as per the Navneet Digest, option number 2 is a different one because of this criteria. Okay, so Now question number 14. 17, 290, 330 and 71. Now in this one, this is very tricky, or we can say very different logic they have mentioned. Now for the 17, here I just note down the number also, because this is very important, I hope so, and the student must have to understand this logic also, because in exam, this type of the different logics possibly come. Okay, and already this number, or already this question is comes on a 2018. So if you see the logic behind this one, 17 means 4 square means 16 plus 1, like this one. Okay, now for the 290, for this one, 17 square plus 1 means the number is the something square number and then addition of the 1, like this one. For this 730, this 27 square plus 1. Okay, but this 71 is not like this one. 71 is a very different one. There is no 70 square number or 69 or something which is not fit about this criteria. So that's why this option number 4, 71 is a totally different one. Okay, so now in our next video we will see the exercise 2.2.